Welcome, my name is Marcel, and in this video I want to discuss the stop buy orders, when you should use them, and how to enter an order with the FTX Crypto Exchange. And there are three types of stop orders: the stop market, the stop limit, and the trailing stop. In the last video I discussed the market and limit buy orders, and in this video I will start with the stop market buy order. And I will use a theoretical crypto XYZ, latest price $11, and you want to use the stop market buy order when the price reaches a certain level. So let's say you want to buy XYZ when the price breaks $15. Then with the stop market buy order you could set a trigger at $15, and when the trigger gets hit you will buy for the ask price at that moment. And that's why it's called a trigger entry, because when a trigger gets hit your order will be filled instantly. And for an order example we will jump to the FTX platform. I am in my sub account which is called testing, which has $1,000 in it. And we're currently looking at Bitcoin, which is just under $48,000. And let's say you would like to buy Bitcoin when it breaks the $48,500. Then you make sure you're in the buy tab and you select the stop market order. And then in the black box you have to fill in the amount. You could do it in three ways: in number of crypto, the dollar amount, or you could use this slide bar. And in the dotted purple box you have to fill in the trigger price, and we just set $48,500. I will explain the retry in a different video. For now we just click buy. Yes, I would like to buy. And then you see on the trigger orders that there is a buy trigger order for 0.001 Bitcoin at the price of $48,500. And for this video I would like this order to be triggered, and if you click the little pencil you can change the trigger price. So let's change that to 48,050. Yes, okay. And then we just wait till it gets triggered. And there we go, I think. And then you can see under balances that we bought 0.001 Bitcoin. And if you look at the order history, you can see the price we paid. And we paid $48,051, so slightly above the trigger. And you could also use a stop market order with a limit. And for that we will jump back to the overview. With the stop limit buy order, the trigger and the entry are separated. And you would like to do this mainly for three reasons. The first is you're in control of the entry level. If XYZ would be a stock and it would gap upwards at Monday morning, your entry price with the stock market would be much higher than you anticipated. And second, you can buy lower than the trigger. And this order you could use in multiple ways. So you could also use it that you first want to see a recovery before you want to buy at a dip. And third, you can hide your orders from the order book. Your orders will only show up in the order book after the order is triggered. And this could be interesting if you want to buy big positions. And for the order entry, we will move to the FTX platform. And under the buy tab, you select the stop limit order. And then you have to set three values. In the dotted gray box, you have to set the trigger price, which has to be above the current price. And in the purple box, you have to set your entry price, the limit price. And in the black box, you have to set the amount. And for now, we just choose some values. Let's say we want to buy for 47,000. We want to get triggered in at, let's say, 47,990. And then you just click buy. Yes, I would like to buy. And then you see under the trigger orders that there is an order. And then you just have to wait until the order is triggered. And voila, the order is triggered. And then you see that this trigger order turned into an open order. So now we only have a limit buy at 47,000. And for the last stop order, we will move back to the overview. For the trailing stop, I made some more price action. And with the trailing stop, your trigger entry moves with the price. So let's say at the $10 you would like to buy when the price goes up $3. If the price goes down in the meanwhile, your trigger entry will also go down until the price goes up $3 and you're triggered in. Let's move to the FTX platform. And we're still looking at Bitcoin around $48,000. And you would like to buy Bitcoin when the price recovers $1,000. And then you make sure you're under the buy tab, you select the trailing stop order. And then in the black box you have to fill the amount. And then in the pink box you have to set the trail value, which in this case is $1,000. And then you just click buy, yes indeed. And then under trigger orders you see that there is a trailing stop buy order. And the trigger price is almost $1,000 higher than the market price. If the market price would go down more, the trigger price would also go down. So you don't know for which price you're going to buy, especially if the price goes down fast. It could be much lower, you don't know. If you got something from this video, a like is appreciated. Thanks for watching, bye bye.